If you want to install Lightroom XMP presets quickly and safely, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step in a simple way. By the end, your presets will be imported and ready to use inside Lightroom Desktop in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides just like this one. First, you need to download your preset files. These will usually come as either XMP files or a zip folder. If you get a zip file, open it and check whether the XMP files are already inside. In some cases, you may need to extract the zip before Lightroom can use the presets properly. The most important thing to remember is that Lightroom needs the correct file type, so if you only see a zip file and nothing else, make sure to unpack it first. Next, open Lightroom Desktop. Once it loads, open any photo so you can access the editing controls. After the photo is open, go over to the Edit panel. This is where Lightroom keeps most of the adjustment tools, including your presets. Now click on Presets. This will show you the Presets section inside Lightroom. From there, look for the three dots menu, usually shown as three small dots. Click that menu and choose Import Presets. This is the option that lets you bring external XMP presets into Lightroom. A file browser window will open. Now locate the XMP preset files you downloaded earlier. Select the .xmp files you want to install. Then click Import. Lightroom will process the files and add them into your preset library automatically. Once the import is complete, your presets should appear under User Presets. That means the installation worked, and you can start using them right away on your photos. Just click a preset to preview the look and apply it instantly. If your presets do not show up immediately, don't panic. One common issue is that the zip file was not extracted properly. Another common issue is using the wrong file type, so always make sure you are importing .xmp files. And if the presets still do not appear, simply restart Lightroom and check again. In many cases, that fixes the issue right away. So to quickly recap, download the preset files, open Lightroom, go to a photo, open the Edit panel, click Presets, use the three dots menu, choose Import Presets, select the XMP files, and import them. After that, your presets will be ready under User Presets. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Lightroom tutorials, editing tips, and simple software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.